A small home design in Austin, Texas, that has a sharp-angled roofline and features wood elements like hemlock soffits and cedar carport walls and a limestone facade. The Texas Litter's limestone continues through to the entry vestibule. In the living room, a high-sloped ceiling creates a lofty and open environment, while the wood adds a sense of warmth to the space. Both the kitchen and dining room are located behind the living room. The kitchen has minimalist wood cabinets, a marble backsplash, and a large island with a couple of different seating options. Located off the social areas of the house is a small patio with a water feature and outdoor fireplace. The principal bedroom has a wood accent wall and door that leads to the outdoors. The principal bathroom, which has a walk-in closet attached, includes a freestanding bathtub, a delicate chandelier, separate vanities, and limestone on the floor and wall.